All right, so I just wanted to take a moment to tell you a little story. And it is the story of three couples who are very happy together. Except that there's this one little joker who just loves to always tag along on all of their dates. And they don't really want him there. He has a mate who doesn't want him there. They just want to go and have fun. So they turn to go on their date, and the joker's like, no, I need to come with you. Which couple is he going to go with? Well, that's your choice. Let's say he goes with this couple here, right? So then we are going to just have them all go off together, and they get lost. But then the joker's mate comes along. Let's say it's the Six of Hearts. Let's say that's the joker's mate there. And the Six of Hearts wants to find the joker, wants to find and bring the joker back home, because again, the kings and queens don't really want him there anyway. So he has to enlist the help of a friend, right? He has all these friends that he could go with. And let's say that this friend doesn't work, and this friend doesn't work, and maybe that friend doesn't work. So he goes to his fourth friend, who is the Five of Diamonds. So then the Six of Hearts and the Five of Diamonds, they get together, they congregate, and they say, you know what, Six? All you have to do is to say your name. So he goes, okay, SIXOFHEARTS, Six of Hearts. And Six of Hearts goes, but Five, I still can't find him. And Six of Hearts says, well, say my name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the Six of Hearts, with the help of the Five of Diamonds, has found his mate. So I do apologize, I am a little under the weather today, but I want to show you how this is done. I don't necessarily do it all that well. I am not the best cardist or magician. I just enjoy really great no setup mathematical card tricks. So first of all, you're going to set up with three groups here. It's probably better to have the colors separated, but three groups, a king and a queen. You'll need a joker. I choose the joker because it is an easily distinguishable card that can go in the pack. And the way that you do this is you have a little story or you come up with your own concept, but basically you're going to turn your couples over and you're going to have your spectator choose a place for the joker to go, any of these piles. It does not matter. The only thing that you want to make sure of is that the joker ends up in third position. So you can take this pile of 2 and then take this pile here. And as you can see, the joker's in third position, right? Set that off to the side. Now you can shuffle these up any way you like, however much you want, because it doesn't really matter what card gets chosen. It works every time, no matter what. So if you lay them out, you choose a card, let's say this time it's the Two of Diamonds, right? The way that I come up with this is a couple of ways. What I'll do is I'll shuffle, and as I'm shuffling, I'm looking to see if a 5 has ended up close to the top here. And if not, there are different ways you can force a 5. I'm really bad at forcing. And then you say, oh, well, the Two of Diamonds has all these friends. But what you're doing is you're looking for this placement of this 5, right? And so there's a 5 there in second position. And we can say, well, he went to this friend and they wouldn't help. But then he went to this friend and they would. So there we have our setup for our 5. And then basically what you're going to do is your original card, you're going to count it out. This is the Two of Diamonds, right? Two of Diamonds, TWO. You take the rest of your stack, drop it on top. OF, drop it on top. DIAMOND. There's no S, but that's okay. Because what's going to happen every single time, and for reasons unknown, is when you count out to the 5th card, it's always going to be the joker. But not only that, you're now going to see that the kings, for the most part, if it ends up not being a diamond, most part, the kings end up in front of the queens. So if you do get the diamond, it's not going to work for this, but it's always that card. And I'll show you again. It does not matter what card you choose to be that card. Let's pop out, let's pop out this one. 7 of spades. Again, we're going to turn them all over. We're putting our joker on top of 1, making sure he's in 3rd position. And then we'll count it out. Just like this. S-E-V-E-N, rest on top. O-F, rest on top. S-P-A-D-E-S, rest on top. When it comes out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then king in front, king in front, king in front. So there you go. Work on it for yourself. I don't have it perfected. I am not the best magician that there is, or cardist, or illusionist, or whatever. But I do enjoy this trick in particular. I'm still working on it in my head. I'm still working on my cardistry all the time, as you can see. I hope you like it, and I hope that you figure out a way to make it work for yourself. Like, share, subscribe. I do all kinds of things here. Deck histories, nuance, unboxings, card tricks when I can. And I just enjoy making these videos for you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again next time.